Hey, in this video we'll talk about FET. We already gave you a really nice price prediction in last videos and we had some really good results. We managed to exit at the top, and the question is what is going to happen now. I'll give you my price prediction. Right now VWAP is definitely curving up. Money flow is red. We are actually seeing a new all-time low on money flow, as you can see right here. And it is looking very bearish, and it's not because of FET necessarily being a bad currency, but right now because of Bitcoin, because of what's happening with Bitcoin in the last few days, since the dump that we had on the 10th of October right here, we've had pretty much money coming out of every coin. So what is going to happen now? Here are a few scenarios. Basically, this video is no financial advice. If you want to follow my signals or learn a little bit from me, I'll have links for that in the description down below, as you can see right here. So right now, right here, we basically have more selling pressure than buying pressure. When we pull up the fixed volume profile, we have 101 mil buyers, 130 mil sellers, 105 mil buyers, 119 mil sellers. The absolutely first situation in which we can actually draw liquidity in is the 2443 area. So we want to mark that up on the chart, and we'll do that right here. We'll add the brush and these two right here, and it seems that the accumulation area is basically this area right here. So I want to go here and I'll consider buying to the upside. So I'm basically waiting for another dump. This is basically it. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos.